Well, what do you think? I went and made a deposit at the dump, and while I was there, I thought I would make a withdrawal. And I asked the fellow at the dump if I could make a withdrawal after I made my deposit. And he said, "You mean that toolbox that's over around behind the dumpster?" I said, "Yeah." I said, "I don't know." He says, "I don't see anything." So let's look and see what's inside. Okay, now we have the top open, such as it is. And it's not in perfect condition, as you can see. And I don't know what brand it is, but it's even got some tools inside here. What is it? It's electrical. You'd almost think that it was, well, it's got some, you'd almost think that it was like a torch setup. What's down in there? Can't tell. Soldering gun of some kind, I would think. And here's a extension for a grease gun. And actually it's one you would hook the grease gun onto there and it would extend your reach out. And there's another fitting for a grease gun. Another extension. Got a bunch of extensions for grease guns here. Not sure exactly what that is. And this is a socket. No, this was a screwdriver with a wooden handle. The handle is gone, but it's a pretty decent looking screwdriver. So, nice brass junction. Yeah, that's worth the price of the toolbox right there. Let's see what the other toolbox drawers have. That one's empty. That one's empty. Oh, we got, what brand is that? Can't tell. Stanley. Can never have too many utility knives. And this is one of those cheapo break it off kind. And what's inside of here? There's something in here. They're plastic whatchamacallits. Multi-purpose marker. And that's exactly what it is. Multi-purpose marker. Soapstone. That's another kind of marker. You can always use them. Nothing in that drawer. And we have a syringe without the needle. And we have a tester for your antifreeze. And this one, I wonder if it works. The bulb is still supple. It might even work. So it's not a thing of beauty, and there's something stuck behind there. Let me pull that drawer out and see if what's stuck behind. Couldn't show you what when I was dragging out, but that's what was in behind that bottom shelf. Looks like a rat's nest to me. But I oiled up the drawers now, and next thing I got to do is clean them. We'll put some drawer liners in them, and we'll put this puppy to use. What do you think? Yes, sirree, Bob. It'll do the job.
Is she in the? She's in the fire.
You never know what you're going to find at the dump. Well, there we are. My junkyard toolboxes. And the one I just got today is the one in the middle. I've done a little cleaning, and that drawer's just got a gas pump in it. This one here has an assortment of wrenches, mostly metric on that side, and a few. These are all mismatched. My good stuff is down in the Goofy shop. My pliers, somewhere I'm still missing my diagonal set that goes with these. Tire patch plugs. Yeah, I've had 3 tires I have patched on my car in the last 2 weeks. That's more than I've plugged in the last 10 years. And I got utility knives in there and miscellaneous in here. Yeah. And we got Allen wrenches of all sizes and shapes and lengths, and a driver set there. I think it's, oh, this has got a couple of test lights in it. One of them works, the other one, this one here I've had forever and ever. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's an original Snap-on from back in the 70s. I need to fix it, because when it works right, it's good. I might have to replace the bulb in it. Needs to be cleaned up. And miscellaneous junk on the top. And then down below in this box, we have more miscellaneous wrenches. And some other junk. Some more miscellaneous junk. And even more miscellaneous junk. Mainly junk screwdrivers and stuff like that. A couple of carburetors that we have replaced, even though they were practically new, but they got replaced. This one was a year old. I probably could replace and rebuild it, but I'm not gonna now. So there you have it. I think I said the bottom box. That didn't come from the dump. I think that bottom box, I bought it at an auction. I think I paid $5 for it. So got that whole setup for $5, plus there were tools. This bottom box had most of the wrenches in there, some of the screwdrivers and stuff when I got it. So, but on the cheap, and I need to have some tools up here in the carport so I don't have to be constantly running back and forth. Hope you all having a good day and find your good deals where you can find them. Thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing, and all them good things. Bye for now.